So it's been a couple years since I built my little camper, and I usually have an electric heater in there when I hooked up to 110. But I needed something for off grid, and I thought about many different options. I have the solid fuel burner from Dickinson, but I was a little bit leery about all that fire in there. So this is a diesel heater I researched, and this is a camper I built myself and where I installed the unit. So this is my Likasi diesel heater all in one, and I already tried it out outside. I ran it for 40 minutes just to kind of like burn in the paint and don't have it stink up the room, like, you know, not with this model, but other people with diesel heaters reported it might happen. So then I took it, brought it in here. It's still half full of diesel and there's no smell. I'm very happy with that. So this is where it's gonna go. There's the hardware I have to still install on it, and I made a little heat resistant hole. So let's put it together and put it in there. Okay, so here I just hooked up the battery. I'm not gonna leave that like this. I'm gonna put my little box there, probably my solar charge controller, and I'm gonna just fire her up. It says it's 7 degrees in here, and the clicking is the pump. I put this heat extension on there because otherwise it would blow the hot air against one of my trunks, wooden trunks I built there. And we have heat. There it is. Excellent. So it's off, and then you have to wait. It will run the fan longer to cool down everything inside. But it worked good. I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching.